Hi, and I made this little yard, not a track, but more of a set or something. I just made it for fun. But we have Stefano, a couple tunnels, and I set up cars everywhere. But yeah, I got the idea from the channel Kids Toys Play. And that's what really wanted me to make this yard. So if we start here with Edward, it comes along this line, to this big switch thing, and like, I don't know, I have a lot of little switches on here that are mostly like that. Like, the only one that isn't like this, I don't know what you call this, put it down in the not description, please put it in the comment section below. But like, the only one that is not like that and a siding is this one, and it's still connected like that. So, but yeah, if you could go down this line, you'll come through some freight cars, you switches, and express coach to this long siding and Trevor. But if you go this way, you go over this crossing to another express coach and this siding. If you go this way, some sidings right there. This is like some siding right there though. This is though where the engines come to turn around. And yeah, I think it's a good area. I don't know, maybe I would put a turntable or just expand back there a little bit. I made it so like small trains could turn around, like maybe Edward with the both Henry's Forest log cars could go around. And then we have Scruffy, a couple of fuel tankers. We also have this siding right here. I tried to make them pretty identical, but yeah. We also have this right here that goes all the way down to Stefano with Andrews and James and Shane. And let's see, we have that siding. I think that is about it for the track. But now, the Shunting yard.